Hi, I'm Arsul Kothari. Here I'm going to present you the project that is real-time temperature value to the Compact Logic PLC. We have the Compact Logic PLC in this cabinet. That's over here. That's a Compact Logic L32E. So basically, we are going to send the real-time temperature value to the to this Compact Logic PLC. So accordingly, it will give you the uh, reading in this panel. Okay, we are using the Z series wireless temperature, Z series wireless sensor system. It have two units, end device and the coordinator. This is the coordinator. Now what? Now the end device have the system that we, this is the thermistor. Actually, this will sense the temperature from the atmosphere, from the surrounding actually, and it will, like, end device will send the data periodically to this coordinator. Now coordinator where it serve as a gateway between the user and the end device. This coordinator is connected through the LAN. You can see here, this is connected to the LAN. Now we have the reading, so it will be coming from here. So for that we are using the iLog software. That is the Excel file that is made by the Z series wireless temperature system. So we can see here, like, the readings that is for 3:55:56 p.m. we have the 22.60, 3:56 we have 22.60, 3:56:32 we have 22.50. Now this particular cell indicate the real-time reading. That's a newer reading. You can see the change over here. It's indicate the temperature is changing. Now if you have the data in the Excel, so and if you want to send to this Compact Logic, we have to do one thing. We have to create a tag in the RS Logics 5000. Basically, for the Compact Logic PLC, we are we have to develop the code in the RS Logics 5000. This is the RS Logic 5000. I made one tag that is called Excel, and this is the particular reading. That's 21.8. That's a real-time reading. So now I have this reading. Okay, that's already in the PLC. So this reading is coming through this real-time value. Now we are using for that I made the VBA code in the Excel. This is the VBA code. This is a subroutine for the Excel to PLC. First, DDA initiate will be initiate the channel that is valve 1 between the RS links and UBL32E. Now what is UBL32E? UBL32 is the scope, the PLC. We have the two scopes here, UBL32 and program, but we are using this UBL32E. Now DDA POC will be sending the data through this cell 610 to the Excel. by using this variable 1 channel. Now cell 610 have this value, the real-time temperature reading. This is the cell 6, this is the row and this is the column. So this particular cell is called 610 cell, and it will going to get the data in the Excel tag. Okay, and by the time it will be terminated. So whenever we start logging, whenever we click on the start logging, it automatically send this data to the Excel, to the Compaq Logic PLC by using this RS Logix 5000. Now so you can see the data reading, that's 21.6 and 21.6, so both are the same. Okay, and you can also see the reading over here, that's 21.6. This is the Allen Bradley panel view plus 600. It is HMI, so I create one HMI screen for that. This is called the real-time temperature reading in the Fahrenheit. Whenever the temperature will be going above 30, it shows the message like high temp over here, and whenever it's like below 30 or else 30, it will give the message here, it's like low temp. We can see 2160, so it's below 30, so it will show the message like low temperature. F1 is used for the home screen. We have the home screen over here. For the wireless temperature, we have to click F6. This is the screen for the wireless temperature reading. Now we have this we have this logic. Now particular, what is this reading, what is this reading all about, and what is this, how we can get this value. So for that we are using the FactoryTalk View Studio, and this all is the for the designing the HMI screen. We have the display over here, so this is the home screen. Okay, and this is the real-time temperature screen. So this is the tag, this tag UB5 L32E Excel. So Excel is the tag that carry the value, and it will be shown into this particular cell, this particular unit. Okay, and here you can see UB5 L32E above 25. This is the tag that is created for the particular this unit. This indicates the message like high temp or low temp, and above 25, that is the tag created over here. It have the two value. It will be compare the loop, compare the Excel with Excel with particular 30 value. So this is the program for that. Okay, this is the program. A greater than B. A is the Excel and B is the 30. If the value is above 30, then above 25 will be on. If it's less than 30, it will be off. If it will be off, then the value is 0, and if it's on, then the value is 1 over here. And you can see for the monitor tag, if it's 21.6, it's below 30, so it will show the message the value is 0, and if it's greater than 30, then it should be 1 value here. Okay, according to that, it will be give the message here, high temp or low temp. Whenever the temperature reading, whenever the temperature reading is greater than that, greater than 30, it will sound the message high temp by doing the condition 1, and if it's low temp, then it should be like 0, the value will be 0. So this is all about this is my project about the real-time temperature reading. Thank you.